Welcome to Money Minded, the podcast that simplifies finance for you, whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your financial game. We've got practical tips and insights to help you make smarter money moves. I'm Finley, and I'll be guiding you on this journey to financial freedom. Let's dive right in. Welcome back to Money Minded. This is episode 3. Let's talk about earning, the power of your income. But today, we're going to explore the first pillar of personal finance, earning. Your income is the fuel for everything else: spending, saving, investing, and protecting your future. So let's break it down in a way that feels approachable, realistic, and inspiring. Let's start with a simple question. What does earning really mean? At its core, earning refers to the money you bring in, your paycheck, your business income, freelance gigs, side hustles, tips, bonuses, passive income like dividends or rental payments. All of that is part of your income. But here's the catch. But a lot of us are so focused on budgeting and saving that we forget about the importance of actually growing our income. You can only save so much, but you can always work to earn more. Let's break this down further with some real-life context. 1. Your primary income, the starting point. For most people, this means your job. Whether you're full-time, part-time, or freelancing, your main gig is likely where most of your income comes from. Think of your primary income like the foundation of a house. Yeah, it holds everything up. If it's solid, you can build bigger, better, more stable financial structures on top of it. But if it's shaky, well, it's going to be tough to do much else. So the first step in mastering your income is understanding where you are now. What do you earn monthly after taxes? What are your consistent sources? It might sound simple, but clarity is power. Knowing exactly what you bring in gives you the confidence to make smarter choices with what to do next. 2. The importance of increasing your income. Once you understand your current income, the next question becomes, how can I earn more? Now, this doesn't mean working yourself into burnout. It means being strategic and identifying opportunities to level up. Could you ask for a raise? Could you upgrade your skills with a course or certification? Could you take on extra hours, or find a higher paying position? Think of it this way. Even a small increase, like an extra $200 per month, adds up to $2,400 a year. Over 5 years, that's $12,000. That's the power of incremental growth. It's not about overnight success. It's about consistent progress. 3. Secondary income, side hustles, and freelance work. Here's where it gets exciting. We live in a world full of opportunity. The internet has made it easier than ever to create extra income streams. You can freelance, sell digital products, start a YouTube channel, offer tutoring, pet sit, rent out a room, or sell handmade crafts online. These aren't just hobbies anymore, they're income sources. And yes, it takes time, effort, and sometimes even failure. But with consistency, side hustles can become serious money makers. I've known people who started baking cupcakes on the weekend and turned it into a 6-figure business. Others who taught English online and used that money to pay off debt, and plenty who just drive Uber or deliver food part-time and use that extra income to build savings or invest. There is no one-size-fits-all answer here. The goal is to find what works for you, something that fits your schedule, your skills, and your lifestyle. 4. Passive income. Make your money work for you now. Let's talk about something really powerful. Passive income. This is money you earn with little or no ongoing effort. We're talking dividends from stocks, rental income, royalties from a book or course, or even affiliate income from a blog or website. Here's a simple example. Let's say you write a short ebook on a topic you know well, like gardening or productivity. You publish it online, and it sells for $5. Now imagine 100 people buy it each month. That's $500 without having to rewrite it every time. Passive income won't make you rich overnight, but it's a game changer when combined with your active income, because while your time is limited, your potential income streams aren't. 5. Earning with purpose. Now, here's where it all ties together. The point of earning more isn't just to buy more. It's about freedom, it's about options, it's about reducing stress, building a safety net, and being able to say yes to the things that truly matter to you. Maybe that means paying off your student loans faster, or taking your parents on a vacation, or having the ability to walk away from a toxic job. Money gives you choices, but it starts with what you earn. 6. Real-world stories that inspire. Let's look at a few real stories. Sarah, a teacher who started freelancing as a resume writer. Within 6 months, she was earning enough to reduce her teaching hours and focus on passion projects. Marcus, a delivery driver who watched YouTube videos about investing and started earning dividend income from index funds. Today, he brings in an extra $200 a month passively. Priya, a mom of two who used her baking skills to sell birthday cakes from home. Word spread fast, and now she runs a full catering business. These aren't celebrities, they're everyday people, just like you, and they decided to take control of their income. 7. Your turn. A simple earning plan. Let's wrap this up with a few action steps. First, write down all your current income sources. Be honest, even small things count. Second, ask yourself, is there room to grow in your current role? Could you ask for a raise? Can you level up with training? Third, brainstorm 3 side hustle ideas. Don't overthink and just write them down. You never know what might click. And lastly, learn about passive income. Start small, read an article, watch a video, plant the seed, and let it grow. Remember, income isn't just about dollars and cents. It's about building the life you want, and that journey starts with what you earn. If you enjoyed this episode, stay tuned. Next time, we'll dive into the second pillar of personal finance, spending, and how to take control of where your money actually goes. Let's keep building together, one episode at a time. Thanks for tuning in to Money Minded. I hope you learned something new today that'll help you take control of your finances. Be sure to subscribe for more easy-to-understand financial tips. I'm Finley, and I'll see you in the next episode.